Hi everyone, Eminem here. This is a very quick and to the point video on 3 different Starbucks drinks that you can make at home, so let's get to it. Okay, first up is the purple drink. We are steeping 2 bags of tea. You can use any tea that you want as long as you get some sort of a reddish tone. And then we're gonna grab a cup of ice and adding some strawberry slices, then adding our cup of tea, some milk of your choice. Here I used soy milk.
And ta-da! It turns into a purple drink.
Alright, next up is the vanilla bean frappuccino. I'm going to put everything in a blender. So we're starting off with a few scoops of vanilla ice cream and topping it off with our favorite milk. I'm also adding a few drops of vanilla extract and finally blending everything up until it becomes a sort of like a white smoothie. And then topping it off with an unhealthy amount of whipped cream, which makes it taste delicious. So that's their frappuccino. All right, we're moving on to our final and third drink. So we're gonna start with heating up some milk, adding a few drops of vanilla extract, some maple syrup, and if you have cocoa, use that, but in my case, I used a teaspoon of Nutella. And once everything was nice and warm and mixed up, I added a few cups of brewed coffee, and that's about it. So we're just gonna put everything in the nicest cup that you have. Oops, I made a mess. Topping it off yet again with crazy amounts of whipped cream. And I also added some melted Nutella, but chocolate syrup would work as well. So there you go. Those were 3 easy Starbucks drinks that you can make at home. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!